Our focus in IT is providing that level of innovation, but at a price point that works best for the firm. I was hired to run the document management system. We had 12 libraries spread across the firm. Each one of those libraries had a database server, it had a file server, it had an index server. And for somebody in Omaha to search for a document because they're working with an attorney in Atlanta, you had to connect to the Atlanta server and you're dragging information across the network. And then our CIO, Ken Kruger, went to ILTA. And they came back to me and said, hey, we're buying this cool thing called NetDocuments. And being a database person, the first thing that ran through my mind was panic. What do you mean I'm giving my data to somebody else? Shortly after meeting them, all of my fears were put to rest. The team I worked with was just phenomenal. Before we converted, I was rebuilding an indexer every week. And when the indexer's down, the attorneys can't do full text search. And here, all of a sudden, our attorneys can search any library they want, any document collection in a matter of seconds. I can't practice law. We need them to practice law. And if my systems are causing them to spend too much time doing X instead of focused on the practice of law, then we're hurting the firm's productivity as a whole. It was a remarkable conversion to move to NetDocuments, and we've been with them ever since.